Hey guys, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. It is one of those days. I'm just about to get ready to relax, take a shower, watch TV, garbage time, and then I realize I need to release a new video. With that said, this is a special video because it is yet another collaboration. You guys know I love collaborations, and today it's with my friend Sarah Chung. Sarah is based in Hong Kong, who came to visit me in Boston about a year ago. We went to watch Hamilton, which was fantastic. And I found out that since the pandemic, not only Sarah has kept in touch with me digitally, right here on YouTube, she learned how to navigate using Zoom, and she is a martial artist herself. In particular, she learns and teaches Taichi and qigong in Hong Kong. So as you can imagine, exercise has been such an integral part of our lives, especially for people who are into fitness and dance, like you guys are instructors right here on this channel, as well as people who are watching and who want to really level up. So I want to show you guys a really short video. It's a journey that Sarah has taken on because she was not a Zoom expert. Yet everybody has to learn to become one, and they take their own journey. So I want to take you to Far East Asia to check out how Sarah is able to single-handedly become an instructor, teach online, coordinate with her master, her Sifu, who is in his 80s. So together, they're really doing their very best to bring the classes online. And Sarah is very humble, who said that she's made mistakes and she want to share the video so you don't make the same mistake. So I really hope you enjoy it.
Hello everybody, my name is Sarah and I'm going to share with you my journey on Zoom and what I've learned so far, so you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. We teach Taichi, qigong, and basic training. During the pandemic, I've done events, corporate classes, transferred my regular classes to online version, as well as doing wheelchair classes for charities. I'll share the making of one of our events. A couple of key areas. First thing, space. With Zoom, you really have to keep in mind that a lot of people, particularly in Asia, will be exercising in very small spaces indoors. We chose basic training and Baduanjing qigong, which only needs 1 meter by 1 meter space. At the beginning, I would put markings on the ground with masking tape to make sure that I was visible at all times. I can't stress enough how important sound is. I got a Go Wireless Pro after a lot of research. I've been very happy with it. It's kind of easy, no frills. I would recommend don't try to hide it. At the beginning, I tried to hide it to make sure that my clothing was pristine and the mic was not showing. This affected the sound, particularly when I was moving around and bending down, my clothing would create a lot of noise. Keep in mind, you would need to buy adapters. I have one plugging into the receiver and another one USB-C connecting to the computer. This means that I can hear what the participants are saying through the internal speakers of my computer, and the Go Wireless Pro can capture the sound while I'm doing the exercises. I got a ring light. I find this helps, particularly indoors. And when you don't have sufficient light, it just gives you that pop and all the movements come out a little bit crisper. If you're using mobile for Zoom, I would recommend using the rear-facing camera, as the image quality will be much better. I didn't do that for this one, so I suffered the consequences. Generally, I prop up my computer as the final image is usually nicer and the angles are better. If you need to, you can tilt the screen a little bit to find the perfect angle for yourself. For this particular event, I was actually lucky to have a veteran doctor and the grandmaster, my Sifu, to join me to share this wonderful practice with everybody, but also posed more difficulties. For us, we met up to chat about what we wanted to say, had the rundown with how long each section is going to be so that everybody knew what was going on. They were commenting using the laptop and sitting together. I showed the exercise using my iPhone to film. It's really good effort for both of them to want to share their expertise in these new devices. And with more people, it's even more important to have a rundown with roughly how long you're going to spend on each section of the exercise. I also found it helps when you walk towards the camera and do a little bit more detail so the participants can see better. A bit of housekeeping. Some people might not ever have done Zoom before. It's good to explain everything. For me, I usually explain that I'll mute them during the practice and that they can ask questions and have any discussions after the sessions to make sure that everything moves smoothly. And also, you don't get any static or issues with sound during the practice, which could be very distracting. Music adds a whole new dimension. What I do is press share screen, then go to advanced, then share music or computer sound only. Then I go to my iTunes and play. I put the volume in the middle and it works well. People can hear me and hear the music at the same time. This is really awesome because we have our own music, and every time I'm able to play it, I feel very happy. When you're done, just press stop share. Hope this has been useful. See you next time.
Definitely stick around. I have so many videos coming up, including tips for Zoom webinar hosts. This channel is all about helping creative entrepreneurs and content creators live and celebrate their financial and creative freedom. I am so passionate about this, and I hope you stick around, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.